This is an impact testing machine. This is the pendulum, this is the weight, and this is the tool. This is our sample, the impact sample that we're going to test, the toughness. When we put the sample on the anvil, put it like this, we're going to release the pendulum and the weight will hit the sample. This is how it will break. And we're going to have our readings here. This is what we're going to record when we start the sample. This is how our sample looks like.
Yes? Ja. Man muss out, du musst Holz machen. Da weiß ich nicht, so viel. So viel, das ist das Problem.